Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. Yes guys, and you know me always I come up with some new recipe and new style. Now guys, I have some chicken wings and I'm gonna make some jerk fry chicken wings. All right, and to start off we're gonna go with some simple seasoning for this thing. Here I have some jerk seasoning. And it's very spicy. Okay guys, can you see the pepper grain and all? I'm gonna put a teaspoon. You can put more or less. And this is my blended seasoning, almost done. Add another teaspoon. Onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pimento, all of that in it guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, about a teaspoon. And same for the onion powder. What happened? Onion powder hard up. I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And about say half teaspoon of paprika or a teaspoon. We're gonna mix it up. Alright guys, this is wings, so you don't really have to make it season soak in there for hours and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna start to fry up this. Pour some vegetable oil in it, just enough to cover it. Okay, that's good. Over here I have about a cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna put some cornmeal, about quarter cup. I'm not gonna make it too much this time. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper, little bit of onion and garlic powder. Give this a little mix. I have 1 egg, optional. Some people use egg, some people don't. I'm gonna give it a little beat. You can make egg wash differently, all right, but this time I'm making it easy. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it out in here. Easy. Give this a little mix. You just want it wet a little bit, all right? We're gonna put some over here. And you want to coat it in this flour base. Dust off the excess, put it in the oil. Alright guys, we're gonna let these brown up, golden brown, and then we're gonna flip them over. Depends on your stove. You don't have to juke these wings guys or cut them, because they're wings. They don't have much meat on them, so they easily fry. And you want to make sure your stove is turned down, and we're gonna fry up these. I'm gonna let them fry up for another say 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna cover it, let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll see. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm gonna cover it for about say 2 to 3 minutes, let them soak, and then I'll come back. All right, now we're just gonna flip them over, and we're gonna take them out in a minute. They're all done now, guys. See how crunchy and nice. All right guys, we're gonna take these out. You want some paper towel, drain out the excess oil. Can you see this, guys? All right, can you see that, guys? We're gonna let them drain off and then I'm gonna serve up some. This is the final result. Yes, my jerk fry chicken wings. Yes, I serve it up with some delicious sweet barbecue sauce, and this is this one, guys. Tostitos cheese, medium salsa. And yeah, that's it. The kids gonna dive in it now, guys. Yes. And that's the final result, guys. You love upon me and I love upon you. Have a go at it, guys, and tell me what you think. Bye, guys. And I serve it up with some red bell pepper or sweet pepper. And that's just a piece of mint from the garden. Ooh, yes, child.